Hi friends, myself Govind here. Today I am going to take very good topics because it is summer also. So I am going to take a talk on basically on the domestic air conditioning. Everybody knows about it. There is no rocket science in this also. But however, before buying, what you need to do, and after once you bought it, so what you need to do, save the energy or electricity bill. So these things I am going to talk to you. You will find a number of videos on this, but I am going to tell you each and every things from manufacturing, who are the best manufacturer, what are the types of the air conditioning, then how to select this one, and how to do the maintenance of this is also very important. So before selecting any air conditioning, there are 7-8 points you need to select. First, the area of the room in square feet. So how much square feet is there? Then second is that whether it is facing your two side, three side to the sun, or you are in second floor, third floor, and the area, whether you are in living in Rajasthan or whether you are living in seashore area like Chennai, Mumbai, so highly humid areas, or you may be living in north like maybe Rajasthan or any other part where there is a extreme summer, where there is a what you call winter also, and then comes the weather. You are living in an industrial area where there is a lot of pollution is there. So these are the factors to be considered. Then it comes ISEER ratings, Indian Seasonal Energy Efficiency Rating. It should be 3.5 to 5. This is most important factor one need to be considered. Then it comes your star rating, 3 star, 4 star, 5 star. So any star should be greater than 3 stars, not less than that. So these things to be also be considered. Then your decibel level has to be checked before that. It should be in between the 25 to 40 decibels. Then it comes construction of the material of your cooling coils, both maybe evaporator and condenser. It should be copper. If you want to buy it from EMI, but buy the copper coils. It is very important. Long life, energy efficient, very robust. Any season, anywhere you can take those. These are little bit costly also. Sometimes they give only condenser is outside because they give only copper, but inside also you need to be checked. So it has to be also be copper. It is always better. Then I will going to tell you the types of AC. Majorly there are two types only, window and split. But there are in split ACs, inverter ACs have come into place now. Then hot and cold ACs. So many times we forget whether if you are living like a condition in North India where summer as well as winter is also heavy, very extreme, there you can buy hot and cold. That is also a very good option, but people normally thinks ki AC means only summer purpose. No, it is for both the purpose. You can use it anytime, anywhere. So these are the things to be considered. Then who are the manufacturers in India? There are lot of people are there. Good Indian companies like Voltas, basically Tata's nowadays. Blue Star is there. So this is also very good company. Godrej, Videocon. So these are Indian companies, but Godrej and Voltas, Blue Star, these are very good companies. You can buy those also. Then comes Korean companies LG and Samsung. Then other companies, Multimaster, like Japanese companies are there, many Japanese, Mitsubishi is there, Hitachi is there. So these are the, Panasonic is there. Then O General, these are the main manufacturers. Then last and the least, you can say Chinese. Many people may be aware or may not be aware, Haier is a Chinese brand. So, you need to think 10 times before buying. So, if you are buying also, it should be made in India, it has to be made in India, that you need to check. Maybe they have got a plant, that is why rates may be cheap also. So, these are the things what I have told you, just and what are the features to be seen, like nowadays lot of features are coming, nanotechnology, then like self cleaning, then it comes like temperature display is very important. Many times many ACs doesn't have temperature displays, you need to check. Even Hitachi's or even good brands, they do not have display on your indoor unit, they have got on the remote control, but whether it is necessary for you or not, you need to check, but display of the temperature should be there, and as per my opinion is considered. This is also very important factor. So, then comes the nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is that it is basically filtration systems. So, it depends upon your which area you are living, like Delhi, NCR, very highly polluted area. There you can buy these filters. Maybe they are odor free, they are dust free, they are HEPA filters is being used, like your Kia cars and many cars, they are giving a lot of filtration of your air conditioning. Same way in the domestic air conditioning also you will get those things also. Lastly, I am going to talk about how to reduce the bill of, if you got a AC, you are having 10 years, 15 years or maybe 5 years, if you are already have it, for those guys. So, first before summer you need to do a proper cleaning, servicing of the AC. Basically they do indoor, if it is a window, they will there only one filter, so 2 filters or whatever it may be. So, you need to clean, and backside you have to open and put water and you have to get it clean. If you are doing it, it is always better, but you need to take out the plug from your socket, plug pin. So, that is very important, otherwise there should not be any electrical current. So, you need to have a one good ladder, so you can even split AC also, you can do cleaning yourself, very easy. So, just go through the manuals or go through the YouTubes. So, according to your model you can open and take the filter outside and clean it by soap, keep it for drying for some purpose, and put it outside is just you need to push, take the what you call bucket of water, throw it on this, clean it. So, by that soap solution, once it is thoroughly cleaned, give it for proper time for drying. So, this is cleaning part. Second is set the temperature of any air conditioning should be 24 to 26 degree if you want to save energy, or else the comfort temperature is 21 to 23, 24 degrees the comfort air for any human body. So, it has to be there. Then you need to see whether it has got sleep mode. In sleep mode, automatically the compressors on off switch, and temperature will be raised in the night, so that your body will not be tough, like morning you are not able to get up and walk properly. So, those things has to be seen also. And parallelly run your air ceiling fan at 1 or 2. So, that what will happen, many times whatever the flow of your indoor is, maybe one direction or maybe I do not know, maybe 2 directions or 3 directions sides. So, if you just start ceiling fan, it will circulate air very fast, so that your temperature will also come down easily, and load on the compressor will not be come again. I am going to talk about the what is inverter AC. So there are basically again normal and inverter AC. Normal AC is that sorry, normal AC is that in this when you set a temperature at 24 degree or 21 degree thermostat, then according to that when it reaches the temperature at 24, the compressor stops. So again at 26 it starts. So on and stop. At that time what will happen? The current will be drawn more. So these normal ACs are not energy efficient ACs. So inverter ACs are those, they convert from AC to DC. There the compressor is always continuously running and their speed is reduced. So that according to your temperature it is being modulated, the RPM is being modulated accordingly. So that is why there is no start and stop many times. So these are called energy efficient ACs also. These are the things. Then what is hot and cold AC? So there are again question comes. Even I am mechanical engineer, I worked in industry. I was also not knowing much before 5-6 years back. I came to know this hot and cold ACs are there, but it is better to buy that. I was thinking the same thing. So you need to clear your mind. Hot AC and cold AC comes into only one unit. Is it 2-in-1 unit also you can call it. Here advantage also you will little extra money you will pay, but where climate is extreme winter, there you can run the hot air also. So that it will be like work like your room heaters. So it is cheaper than your room heater cost. So that is why it is better to buy those things. So how it works basically, there is one, just wait.